How to use Emirates Skywards Smile for shipping. To use Emirates Skywards Smile for shipping travel related reward, can follow my step. Visit the Skywards website and log to your Skywards account using your essential document log and log section. The website or account dashboard that is deducted reward. If Emirates offers shopping redemption option, there will likely be catalog item. Choose the item you want to redeem with your mile and add them your shopping cart. Follow the complete redemption process, confirming your order, guys, and providing detail verifying your identifier. That is, guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip, like, share this video for more content, and guys, verify your identifier before shopping. Thanks again for watching this video. See you on another video soon.